watching me for the first time, my name is Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. So yes, today's video, I think that I got this video request in one of my comments. I think in my previous Ajio haul video or something. One of my subscriber requested me to do an Ajio haul of shirts only. So I included few of my favorite shirts which I have purchased from Ajio. And without any further ado, let's move on with today's video. So to begin with, let's begin with the first one and one of my personal favorite one. I think that I have worn it so much, I can't even explain. And disclaimer, all these shirts are under rupees 299. If I don't find the exact product on Ajio, if it's out of stock or whatsoever, I will mention a similar item so you guys won't be disheartened with it. So all these came in separate packages like this, and it came in a huge Ajio ka packet. So this one I will mention the MRP which I paid for this one, but disclaimer, all these shirts are under rupees 299 only. So this is the first shirt. It is one of my personal favorite, guys. It's of Georgette kind of a material, synthetic Georgette, but it's apt for summers, it apts for winter as well, because the material, it's not so claustrophobic, it does not like melts your body inside. It's like breathable, but it's good, and it's super light. It's so light. Just look at it. You can just squeeze it in one of your hand, guys. It's so soft. So let's just jump right in. So this is how the top looks like, the shirt. So you all can definitely wear this shirt if you have an office meeting, if you have like working from home, and if you want something very light and basic. And this dandelion print is so pretty, it's so versatile. I feel I fell in love with this particular shirt because of this dandelion print. It's so pretty. So this one is from the brand called Fig, and this is in the size S. So I have previously also mentioned in my Ajio video that Fig is such a versatile brand and it's super good. The red t-shirt, I will mention the link somewhere on the screen, so you guys will definitely be able to check it out. So the sleeves is full sleeves. You all can definitely pull this off and make it a 3/4 because it has got a system for making a 3/4. See, there's a button here and there's a flap inside, so you can pull this up and make it a 3/4 as well. So let's just go towards the back. So it has got a high-low hem, if you will be able to understand. I'll just show it to you from the front first. It has got a high-low hem. So in the front it will end, and at the back the hem will be there at the back. So the overall look of it is very good. You can tuck it inside your jeans, you can wear it very loose, you can even tie this up in your waist area and wear it as a short, shirt like that also. So it's just so versatile, and the print, the color is so pretty. So from the back part, it has got a cinched line going from here. It just makes it look so good. And in the front part, so there is an extra flap which hides your buttons. I absolutely love the shirts which actually has a flap where your buttons can be hidden. So you can see that there is a flap over here. So if you will tie the buttons, so this flap, it's all hidden. So nobody can see where are the buttons altogether. Definitely a very favorite of mine. I don't think that I'll ever part with this one. I have worn this to office so many times, and people definitely did ask me कि ये कहाँ से लिया? कहाँ से लिया? आप बहुत ज़्यादा कॉमन हो जा रहे हैं ना मेरे वीडियोस में. Please don't forget to comment on below. Like, I think so. It's in the shade more of a navy blue and blackish शेप एंड बहुत ही ज़्यादा सॉलिड कलर है, बट यहाँ पे उसका थ्रेड वर्क किया हुआ है. आई थिंक इट्स कॉल्ड योक डिज़ाइन इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. सो दिस इज इन 100% कॉटन मटेरियल. इट्स वेरी वेरी गुड, लाइक वेरी वेरी गुड. दिस इज हाउ द शर्ट लुक्स लाइक. नाउ लेट्स कम टुवर्ड्स द स्लीव्स फर्स्ट. सो द स्लीव्स हियर इफ यू विल बी एबल टू सी, इसकी यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ना यू नो थ्रेड वर्क किया हुआ है ताकि वो थोड़ा सा सिंच्ड रहे यहाँ से. एंड इसका स्लीव्स कम्स टुवर्ड्स टिल लाइक दिस पार्ट ओनली. It's not 3/4, it's not half, it's somewhere in the mid. So this only has this thread work going in the front. It is almost of a V neckline, and this is from the brand called CHM, and this is in the size L. So it's such a beautiful and versatile one, you know. You can go so many different. You can even tuck this inside your jeans. You can wear it loose. You can wear it with a skirt, with a culotte, and there are so many different ways. Just look at it as to how pretty this one is looking. Just look at it. Don't forget to comment down below ki which one is your favorite, guys. Don't forget to comment down below. So this is 100% cotton. This one does not have any high-low hem whatsoever. It's plain basic. It's just so good. If you are an office-going person, if you are a college girl, teenage girl, I think that it's so versatile. And ज़्यादा काम भी नहीं किया हुआ है, ज़्यादा तामझाम भी नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा basic है, बहुत ज़्यादा pretty है, decent है. इसके साथ कोई भी आप छोटू सा इयररिंग जैसा स्टाइल एंड कुछ भी पहन लो आप. इसके साथ तो ऑक्सीडाइज ज्वेलरी भी चलेगा. सो इट्स जस्ट सच अ वर्सेटाइल पीस. इट्स सो ब्यूटिफुल. आई जस्ट लव द कलर. इट्स नॉट black, it's not navy blue, it's somewhere mixed color if you will see. And the thread work is very beautiful. The thread work, it's not कि patch का काम किया हुआ है, it's actually thread work किया हुआ है इसके अंदर, and it's very beautiful. This thread work only enhances the beauty of this particular shirt. Let's move on to another printed shirt. Now this one is completely georgette, completely synthetic, and it's very light. मतलब वीडियो में कैसे आप लोगों को एक्सप्लेन करूँ वो तो मुझे नहीं मालूम, बट ये इतना ज़्यादा लाइट है ना कि फैन का हवा में भी ये उड़ने लगता है. Like it's so light. I don't even know how to explain it to you guys. Just look at this one. It's all over printed. It's all over printed in this same particular print. इसका sleeves थोड़ा बहुत आपका 3/4 से थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा इसका sleeve. And the brand is again from the brand called CHM, the previous one, and this one is in the size L. So I will mention the prices on the screen, so don't worry. So this again you can open it, and it's more like a V kind of a, not V, but if you open the button it becomes V, but it's more like a round neck. It does not have any high-low hem whatsoever. You can wear this one as a jacket also अगर आप लोग underneath white या फिर black ऐसा कुछ solid colors का कुछ पहन रहे हो, you know, spaghetti top or tank top or whatsoever, and if you feel like you want to add a jacket, so you can wear it as a jacket also. This is a very beautiful shirt, and the material is more of not cotton, but I would say it's rayon. I think that it is rayon. And let me just explain it to you guys कि मतलब इसको कुछ भी तरीके से फोल्ड करो ये वैसा मोल्ड ले लेगा. Just look at it. Just look at it. Can someone even tell कि ये एक शर्ट है, एक full sleeve shirt है? Can anybody even tell this? And it's so lightweight. I can't even explain. Like the other day, it was just lying on my chair and the fan was in, I think at 4, it was running and this almost flew off to the floor. Just imagine as to how light this one. This one, you can tuck it in also in your jeans. You can just wear it loosely. Summers में या फिर winters में, because it's of rayon, so winters में ये ज़्यादा comfortable रहेगा. Summers में भी रहेगा, but if you're like sitting in the AC, I think so. So definitely if you see such versatile pieces on Ajio का website ना, ये क्या काम करता है कि आप बहुत ही डिफरेंट तरीके से आप इसको पेयर अप कर सकते हो, जो कि I feel it is absolutely a very good thing. So definitely do let me know what you guys think about this particular one. Shirt of this whole particular haul. So this shirt is a favorite of mine. Now again, I love such versatile prints. I don't like all prints altogether, but थोड़ा कम print हो, थोड़ा beautiful flower. Now this one is almost of a very blossomy kind of a print. Now this is how the shirt looks like. It has got pink flowers all over it and the bottom color is almost navy blue. So the bottom color is navy blue and pink flowers all over it, like all over it. Even the sleeves, like all over it. The sleeves are full sleeves. I don't think that you can wear it 3/4 wise, but you can definitely fold it and wear. So it all depends on how you want to wear it. So the front neckline is somewhere like this. It has got frills in the neckline, which makes it even more prettier. I will have to say, it makes it even more prettier. It makes it even more classy look for your office as well. So it has got buttons in the front and it has got frills. So the frills come towards your shoulder area. So it's not that कि frills ये neckline से start हो रहा है, ये frills आपका सीधे जा रहा है shoulder area तक. मतलब अगर आप लोग इसको पहन रहे हो तो ये frills पूरा आपका shoulder area तक जाएगा. So this is again under rupees 299 only. I got it during the sale. So if at all the same product is out of stock, if it is not available, I will try and mention similar items. So please don't forget the description box down below. So I feel for office look, I feel for lunch, you can definitely. And this is again a poly cotton kind of a material. And all these shirts, do let me know guys, do you all have shirts like this which you can fold it in your one hand? Like seriously, you will have to let me know, because all these shirts are so good. And the material, I have mentioned this whole thing in my first Ajio video as well, that Ajio sells all good kind of materials on their website. So definitely you all can go and check this out, and also don't forget to check out my description box down below. Hope that you guys had enjoyed it and found it informative, and don't forget to comment down below as to which shirt was your favorite. And I think that the subscriber who requested me to do this video, I feel that you are happy with this video. Please do let me know in the comment section down below. And if you haven't participated in my giveaway video yet, please, I will mention the link somewhere on the screen, so you guys can definitely go ahead and participate. And a lot more other giveaway videos are coming in the month of November, December and January. So it all depends on you guys' love and support. And till now, the love and support which I am getting, I am really surprised with it, because it was my first time. And let's just hope for the best. Till then, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.